Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about creating some strip lighting, or with all the LED strips that you can get now, you can do a lot of fun things. But there'll be that, but this is also the way that I would do kind of neon lights. So I'm going to show you that kind of neon lights, but realize that any strip that we want to put, that we want to have actually exposed. And the important thing is that the actual strip would be exposed, because what I'm going to show you is not actually a light fixture. It's not going to emit light. It's going to look like it's emitting light. So it wouldn't work for a cove, because the cove is actually blocking the actual fixture out of your eyesight. So if it's out of your eyesight, it's not even doing anything. This is for something that's going to actually look, it's going to be in the space as an object. Okay, so let's go to a wall. Let's see. I think this wall will suffice. Blank wall. And we're going to draw something. So essentially, this could be anything. So I'm going to go to architecture, model in place. I'm going to go down to light, fixture, and I'm going to call this will be my neon light. Again, this could be a light strip. The important part here is whatever I'm trying to draw on, I need to set that. And I'm going to pick a plane. If you happen to have a level that you're setting to, so if it's level 2, I could say that here. I could click on that. I could make a level that I want it to draw on. But because I'm doing a vertical wall, I'm going to pick a plane. And then I'm just going to pick that one right there. Okay. Now, I am going to create, I'm going to sweep. I could, I think I could do this a couple of ways. I could now import, if I did something really cool in Rhino, that's like a piped thing, I could import it, and that could be the thing, the object that is lit. Because I don't have that, I'm going to just sketch a path. So I'm just going to use this spline tool, and I'm going to do something a little swoopy. Okay, I'm going to call that good. Okay. All right, so that's my, whoa, not sure I'm moving. I think I'm good. Okay. All right, now I need to say I'm done with that. That's the sketch path. Now I need to create a profile. Now if this was tube, this is a neon light tube, then it just needs to have a diameter. So you can either sketch a profile, and then you could give it a rectangle, you could give it some other shape, or I can now use one of these. Now if I just grab 1-inch handrail, you can imagine what's going to happen. It's going to be a really thick there. It's just on the other side of the wall. Interesting. Okay. Let's edit that in place. Okay, so that worked. And finish. All right, so now we have it out here, but it is really large tube. So the only thing that you'd need to do to change that really is to go under the your families, find profile. There's the profile. Go to circular handrail. I know that's a little bit of a fallacy, but we're going to duplicate that, and let's say this is going to be really 0.25 or 1/4 would be maybe in line with what we got here. And we're going to double click on that. We're going to say the diameter. Oh, we'll say the diameter is a 1/2 inch, and we'll change the name. Okay. Apply. Okay. Go into here. Edit in place. Edit. Sweep. Select a new profile. 1/2 inch. Apply that. Apply that. All right. Now we have a good thing. Okay, the other thing we need to do is add a material to it. So that also might be an edit in place. We'll see if it's available here. I don't see it here. So edit in place, select it. I don't want that. All right, and then here we can give it a material, and we'll use that light source material we like so much. Okay, now let's bring it in. Got to find it. Oh, it should be this wall right here. Oh, there it is. Okay, we're going to now look for a material that makes sense. So under materials, we're going to go down here. And now since it's a material, let's remember that this is not a light fixture. It's just going to look like one. There you go. And there is your neon light. Now that could also, again, be a strip. Like you could decide that you would like to add some neon light to some furniture or some computer object or something like that. Now I can do a lot of things with this. I can give it a different tint. Change how much it does that. It doesn't look like that does anything. But also, yeah, it's just that easy. A little dissatisfied with parts of it. So if I go in here, add the sweep. You know, if I need to tweak a few things to get it a little aesthetically more pleasing, you know, I can do that here now. Okay. And all I now need to do sure what's going on there, but we'll just go ahead and treat it like it's okay. And we come back in here and everything just got modified. All right, cool. That's it.